Hello guys, happy Vlogmas day 3. I'm officially showing you guys my room. The last video was me putting up all the posters for my wall, so if you haven't watched that, you should definitely watch it because it's a big part of today's video. I'm so excited because I am obsessed with it. I think the posters really did my room justice because my room is so boring and plain, so these posters really helped bring color to my room. I'm sorry if I sound like a man and I lose my voice in half of this video. It's just I'm not feeling too hot, but I really want to get this video up for you guys. So let's get started. Okay, here is my door. Very simple, it's just a door. I'm gonna open it up. Ta-da! I love it so much. I think this room is honestly so me. I feel like everything in here is very my vibe, I guess you could say that. I love the walls. It gives it so much color and life in this room because without it, it looks so dead. Like if you've seen half of my videos, it was just this brown wall with holes in it and it was just not the cutest, so these posters were definitely a great investment. So as you can tell, this room is not the biggest room, so I don't really have that much space to really put furniture in, so I just have my bed and my little table over there. Nothing too dramatic or exciting, it's just a bed and a table, but I think the decor really helps the room look more exciting. I feel like when you first walk in the left section, we have my closet. We've seen this before. I've done so many clothes videos that you guys have seen my closet. I have my bag on here. I usually wear my mini backpack. Recently I've been wearing this little black bag, but here's the closet. It's kind of messy right now. It's nothing too exciting. It's just a closet. I kind of cleaned it up, but it's still a little bit messy. On the left I have shorts, skirts, jeans, and pants, leggings over here. On the right there's my summer clothes and summer bags, and then on the left is just some more bags, and everything in my closet is color coordinated, as we all know. Color coordinated is what I meant. Color coordinated? Am I saying that right? I hope so. In the back I actually have my traditional Filipino dress I had when I was little. This obviously does not fit me anymore, but I still want to keep it for memories. Look how pretty it is. I do have my swan dress as well, but I think it's in the laundry room right now. And then back here I have my North Face backpack for traveling and my ring light box. If I want to travel with my ring light, this is the box. And then I just have these pink bins because I don't have that much storage in my room because again it's very small, so I have to use these bins. On the top there's this little bin right here, which we already know what's in there. It's just a bunch of scrunchies, and I have all my beanies in here. I wear them a lot, so I just put it in here so it's easy access. A lot of you guys were wondering where this bin was from in my scrunchie video, so it's from Target if you're those people that are wondering. And then these pink bins are from Walmart. This bin I have my extra makeup wipes, hairspray, extra moisturizer, curling iron, stuff like that. And then this one I have chargers, tripods, a lot of cords, cameras, and stuff like that. The next one I just have a bunch of makeup bags, nothing too exciting. And then the bottom one I just have all of my swimsuits in there. I don't really use them as often because I live in Washington and it's freezing cold, so that's definitely on the bottom because I barely go swimming. And then in the middle of my closet I have this dresser. I've had this my whole life, so she's been with me through everything. She's a little bit broken. She used to be orange, but my mom painted it and like sanded it and everything. But yeah, I've had her since we moved into this house, way before that. So this top dresser, I just have a lot of underwear, socks, stuff you don't really care about. And then in here I have my pajamas, and then in here I have all of my hoodies. I have way too many, but they're my favorite things to wear. And since I live in Washington, like I said, it's cold all the time. Gotta make sure I have a bunch of hoodies. And then on the left, I just throw stuff in the corner. I don't really check, but we're gonna see today what's in here. I have my neck pillow. Okay. I have my onesie and a computer case. So anyways, you don't really care about that. Here's my bed. It's in the middle of the room. My bed used to be on this wall. I didn't really like it there because when I did my makeup, my table was right there. I had terrible lighting because the lighting was coming through this direction and I was doing my makeup on that side. So I finally switched it and I really enjoy having the table right there. So when I do my makeup, there's good lighting. If you're wondering where the bed is from and the frame and everything, it's from IKEA. It's just a basic white bed, nothing too interesting. I didn't really want a big headboard because it would just cover the whole room and I don't really want that. So I just have this basic white bed from IKEA. So everything everything that you see is from Target. We have this really long pillow. I put a furry pillowcase on it and it's from Target. It was like $9, so really cheap. I honestly only use this when I sleep. And of course, this wall is from Tessa Collage Kit. Again, I'll put it linked in the description. She has 3 different types of collage kits. Got the original collage kit. There's also a coastal kit and a New York one, which she just came out a few weeks ago. So I'll definitely put it in the description. You guys should definitely check her out. She is a photographer. So on the right side of my bed is this plant. I got it from IKEA. I've had this plant for a long time now, which is very surprising. She's still alive and thriving. She definitely grew a lot. There was only 3 leaves on here when I got it, and now there's like a lot. So shout out to my mom for really growing this plant. And then this basket, I don't know where this is from, honestly. I think it's from like Home Goods or something. If not, it's probably from the Beautiful Fight Shop. So I'll ask her and I'll put it on the screen. And then above the plant, I have these 3 things hanging on the wall. I have this circle bag, which I got from a flea market a while back in the summertime. It's so cute. I've gotten so much use out of it. Next to it is a brown train hat. I used to wear them a lot, but I haven't been wearing them recently. I've been wearing beanies a lot, so I just hung it up on the wall. This one is from Forever 21. And then above that, there's a green hat. This one I think is from Target. I have never worn this in my life. I think this is my mom's. And then next to it, I have this light, which is from IKEA. This used to be in our rec room, but I think it looks better in my room hanging. I don't know if I like it right here precise, but I put it here for now because there's already a hook in the ceiling, so I'm just gonna keep it there for now. If I change my mind, I'll just ask my dad to move it. But yeah, that's the corner. And then I just have these white curtains. They're from IKEA. They have a little bit of a texture. I don't really like them because they don't really cover the sun when I go to bed, but it is really cute. In the middle of my window, I have this table. This one is from IKEA. It's very simple, plain table. It's just white. And then I just have this gray chair. It is from Amazon. It has these wooden pegs. This chair is actually really comfy. I have dropped a lot of makeup on this chair, so don't tell my mom, but I have gotten the stains out really easily, which is great. On my desk, there's this little basket, which again is from Target. In this little basket, I have all my essentials to get ready with. I have my makeup bag. I have this mason jar, which I have all my brushes in it, my fabric scissors, and my lighter. I have my deodorant. Next to it, I have the perfume that I usually use every day. This one is from Bath & Body Works. This one is actually a Christmas scent. The scent is In the Stars. I use this a lot. Next to it, I have lotion because my skin is always dry. This one is just the Aveeno lotion. And then I have my makeup wipes. This is by Simple. And then I have my Vaseline jar. And then I just have Dumbledore there. I don't know why. Throwback to the vlog I did with Peyton. I got this in a mystery bag from Target. I thought it was a keychain, but it's actually an ornament. So that's pretty exciting. And then I just have this mirror. I honestly don't know where this is from. And then in the middle of my table, I have my mom's iPad. I use her iPad a lot to make thumbnails. And then I just have my red notebook. I use this for school a lot. And then under all of that is my computer. This is where I edit all of my videos. And then the last few things on my table is these Polaroids. I don't know where to put these. I just keep them on my table for now. And this necklace holder, I got this from my mom. I have all of my favorite necklaces on there. I got rid of a lot of necklaces because I don't really wear them as often. And then behind that, I just have my AirPods charging and my camera charger charging as well. Behind all of that is just this big black thing. I honestly don't remember what it's called. Moving along. The next corner, I just have this really sad Christmas tree. I honestly don't have room for it on my table, so I just keep it in the corner, sadly. And then I just have this mirror. This is a very sad mirror as well. It's so tiny. I really want to get a big one from like IKEA or Home Goods, but for now, I'll stick with this tiny mirror. The last thing in my room is just this wall. Nothing too exciting. It's a very sad wall. This wall is kind of big, and I just have these 3 dinky little things hanging. But I have this little tassel thing, which I got from Home Goods, very colorful. And I have another hat hanging. This one is also from Forever 21. I used to wear that a lot when I was like 14 or something like that, but I haven't worn it recently, so I just keep it for decor. And the last thing that is hanging on my wall is just this mirror. I have gotten so much use out of this. I've took so many mirror selfies. I think it's from HomeGoods. I don't know, I stole it from my mom. I love this mirror. I think it's such a unique and fun mirror. I love the shape of it, and there's a lot of handprints on there. And yes, I am wearing my PJs right now. But yeah, that's my room. Now that I'm out of breath, I'm gonna go take a nap. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.